Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. From Gradeup.
Hello friends, welcome to Gradeup. I hope your preparation for GATE exam are going very well, and I also expect that you are liking our concept of super quiz. And so far we have completed the super quiz of industrial engineering from a free video course study plan. So the next topic for our super quiz is engineering mechanics. That is the next subject that is going to start in our study plan of free video course from 24th of October onwards. Okay, so the next subject for super quiz is engineering mechanics. So what you need to do is you need to study this subject from a free video course plan, and then you have to attempt the super quiz. Okay, so the topics for our next super quiz of engineering mechanics is the complete syllabus of engineering mechanics, that is free body diagram and equilibrium, trusses and frame, centroid and moment of inertia, friction and its application, kinematics and dynamics of rigid particle and body, impulse, momentum and collision. Okay, so this is a complete syllabus of engineering mechanics for GATE exam, and the next super quiz will be from this engineering mechanics subject. Okay, so you have to study these topics from a free video course lecture. That the link for that free video course is given in the description below. So you will see this link in the description below, that is given in this blue. Okay, so you have to just go through this link, and as soon as you will click on this link, you will come to a schedule of engineering mechanics in the study plan, which is scheduled from day 35, that is 24th of October onwards. Engineering mechanics is going to start. Okay, so you have to study this session on types of forces, free body diagram, trusses and frame. Okay, on day 36, that is on 25th of October, you have to study centroid, center of mass, moment of inertia, session on virtual work and friction and its application. Followed by on day 26th of October, you have to study kinematics and dynamics of rigid body, session on dynamics of body and impulse, momentum and collision. Okay, so you have to go through these video lectures, and after that you have also, you can see there are some links for some quiz also, which is given in the study plan of free video course. So you have to go through the video lecture and also practice some questions. After that you have to attempt our super quiz of engineering mechanics, which will again, there will be 12 questions, total of 30 minutes. All right, so 12 questions, 30 minutes, you have to attempt that super quiz of engineering mechanics, and that will be live on 23rd of October around 9 or 10 p.m. Okay, and you have to just attempt the super quiz of engineering mechanics after going through the video lecture, and then we will meet you in the live session of super quiz of engineering mechanics, which will be held on 27th of October. All right, where we will be discussing the questions which are given in the super quiz. Also, I will be resolving your doubts, which are, if there are some doubts on some questions of this given the super quiz of engineering mechanics, so I will be resolving those doubts in the super quiz, that is live session of super quiz. Okay, so just go through the video lectures of engineering mechanics from our free video course. The link is given in the description below. So this is a link that will be given in the description below of this video. Just go through that link and study the go through the video lecture of engineering mechanics, all the subtopics, and then attempt the super quiz. All right, so I will meet you in the super quiz of engineering mechanics on 27th of October. Till then, go through the video lecture and start preparing for the super quiz. All right, also I want to tell you that a very important information, that we have started a new YouTube channel for GATE, and this particular video is also live on the new YouTube channel. Please subscribe to it so that you can get the latest videos and information related to the GATE examination, other competitive examination. Also share it with your friends. All right, and in the end, I also want to tell you that those who don't know about that Gradeup has started free video course for mechanical engineering, and the link for free video course for mechanical engineering are given in the description below. Please go through the video lectures of engineering mechanics and for super quiz, and then I will meet you in the live session of engineering mechanics super quiz on 27th of October. Till then, thank you and have a good day.